Hello travellers, today we're taking a look at another item from Western Rise's new active line of clothing. You can click the link in the top right to see my review of their Spectrum joggers from the same line. This is the movement shorts, which are built for everyday purpose. They have a 7-inch inseam and are water resistant and are very stretchy and breathable. Links of course are in the description if you would like to check them out. I'll start off with the sizing. They're available from a size small to extra large, and in either black or this lovely blue-grey color. I have the small size in black and the medium in a blue-grey. As you can see, the small size seems to fit me best overall. The medium is slightly more of a relaxed fit on me in this case. The small is equivalent to a size 30 and the medium to a size 32. But these in a size small actually fit me best because they have a lot of stretch and so they won't feel uncomfortable. They also have a drawstring cord in the waistband to give you a tighter, more secure fit. This is also especially helpful if you want to wear them while swimming. Because they're made of a quick drying material and the pockets have a mesh inner side, these will be great for swimming or quick dips. They're also coated with a durable water repellent coating. As you can see here, the water seems to run off them quite well. I believe after a swim that they will dry very quickly. However, I didn't actually have a chance to test them for swimming yet because it's still the middle of winter here in Australia. But the mesh pockets will ensure that they don't balloon up and are comfortable when you get in and out of the water. The main pockets are quite comfortable too, and although like the Spectrum joggers from the same activewear line, when you put heavy items into the pockets they tend to sit a bit awkwardly. So whenever I wore these I tended to put my phone into the side zippered pocket on the left side and it was very comfortable. There's also a zippered pocket on the rear right side for keeping wallets or cash secure while jogging. The shorts come in at a price of $89 which is comparable to similar versatile shorts, but definitely on the high side. I think the comfort and stretchiness and unique phone pocket make up for the cost. Overall, a very comfortable and versatile pair of shorts for a wide range of activities, from lounging around to jogging to swimming. I definitely recommend checking them out if you're in the market for a new pair of shorts. Please do leave a comment below of which of the two sizes or colors you preferred, and be sure to stay subscribed to keep up to date with future videos.